Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add an MX record to your Squarespace site, which is essential for setting up email hosting. So let's get started. The first step is to access your DNS settings. Before you do that, you have to log into your Squarespace dashboard. And to do so, just go to your Squarespace website and enter your account credentials and log in. Once logged in, click on domains here and you'll be directed on the domain. Now here, click on the domain you're working with and find the option for DNS setting. Now I didn't select any domain, but you'll find this if you have. Just click on the domain you're working in and find the option for DNS setting. Now for the next step is to add the MX records. In the DNS settings, click Add Record and select MX as the type. After that, enter the values provided by your email host, including the priority and host details, and save the record. Now for the third step is to verify and test your email. Your MX record change may take a few minutes to propagate. Once done, test your email setup to ensure everything is working. You can do this all when you have chosen a domain for your website. And that's it, you've successfully added an MX record in Squarespace. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, feel free to leave them in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.